Hey everyone, just wanted to go over a little chat bot that we have on our website and how it works, because we want people to understand that if someone goes to your website, you should be receiving a message across different platforms like Facebook Messenger, for example. However, you have to set it up. So here's how you do it. So first, let's take a look at my website. It's ian.genexusgroup.com. If I look down to the bottom right, I have my icon. By default, it just says Genexus Group and it's round robin to people. So in order to change that, here's what you do. You need two things. You need to know your Facebook page ID and you need to know where to put it in KVCore. So first, let's start off with Facebook. If you click on Facebook and you go to your page and then you click Settings, look on your left-hand side and you have an option to go to Messenger platform. So within Messenger platform, you want to scroll down a bit and you'll see a section that says whitelisted domains. So that's giving you permission on Facebook to attach your chat bot, your chat on your website. So in whitelisted domains, you want to go ahead and type ian.genexusgroup.com or yourname.genexusgroup.com and hit save. So that's the first step. The second step is to go back to your page. There's going to be 3 dots here when you're on your main page, and you hit edit page info. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page info, hit see all information. Scroll all the way down to the bottom there, and you'll see something that says page ID. So I want you to copy your page ID. Right, select it all, right click, and hit copy. Now you can hop over into KVCore. So I actually have KVCore open. I'm on my dashboard. The first thing I want to do is go to Web and IDX. So I clicked Web and IDX. After everything loads, I'm going to hit Edit Settings just above my URL here. Edit Settings. So I'm clicking there. And now I'm on my website page settings. So I'm going to scroll down on my website page settings until I get to a section that says Custom Chat Widget. So right here it says Custom Chat Widget. So I'm going to scroll down at the bottom of there and it'll say your customer chat code, Facebook customer chat, and then it'll list a page ID. So what you need to do is select the numbers that are currently there, because those are Genexus Group's page numbers, because you don't want to have it go nowhere. So right by default, it goes to Genexus Group. But until you change this, when you change this, it will now be forwarded to your page. So go into the page ID, replace it, hit paste, make sure that there are exclamation. Oh my gosh. Make sure that there are still quotes on either side of the number and then hit save. You'll get a little confirmation down at the bottom that says website settings saved. And then if you go back to your website and you hit reload this page, if originally it showed Genexus Group as a chat, a Genexus icon, now it should show your icon. And that's when you know it's working. So then if someone comes to your website and they go to chat, they'll sign into Facebook and they'll type anything that they need to get onto Facebook. And then when they type, it goes straight to you as your realtor on your page. So that's it. That's how you do it. If there are any questions, let us know. Thanks.